Hello friends, welcome to my new session on finding the rank of a matrix using normalization. Now friend, this is we can find the rank of a matrix using different types of methods, but this is the one of the most easiest one which I am going to show you. This is the matrix 1 2 3 2. See, this is the matrix here. Okay. Now, friends, I am telling you a very basic, simple thing that whenever you are trying to find the rank of a matrix, always try to turn this element into 1. In this case, we are already having 1, but anyhow, you try to make this element 1 and then try to make these elements 0. Convert these elements to 0. It will be easy for you because when we getting this one, if you multiply this by 2, you will cancel out this and it will turn into 0. If multiply with 3, it will cancel out and it will turn into 0, and this kind of thing will go on. Now see, in this case, I am just converting the row first. I am doing the row operation first. So, row 2 dashed is equal to row 2 minus 2 into row 1. Okay. Now if this is the case, then now friends, see, I have done a few working here. You need to understand. As I have told you, we need to turn these elements into 0. So for the first time, I have done row. I have converted this second row, this part. Here I have shown you what I have done. The new row, row 2 dash is equal to row 2 minus 2 into row 1. That is this part minus 2 into this full of the first part. What we will get by doing this? See, here it is 2. 2 minus 2 into 1. It will be 0. Right? In the similar manner, here it is 3. Then 3 minus 2 into 2. Here it will get we will get minus 1. So we have put here minus 1. In the similar manner, minus 1. In the similar manner, we have got minus 3. How? This 1 minus 2 into 2, that is 4. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now, in this step where what we have done, here I have just change this row 3. How I have changed this row 3? R3 dash is equal to R3 minus R1. Right? In the similar manner, I have also changed the R3. That is R3 minus R1. This will turn into 1 minus 1. This will turn into 0. 3 minus 2. Again 1. 4 minus 3. 1. 5 minus 2. 3. Okay? Now see. What next we have to do? We have to turn these elements into zeros. I have told you before. So, C2 dash, that is this part. C2 is equal to 2 into C1. This is C1. This whole part is C1. C2 into 2 into C1. That is, it will cancel out, the 2 will cancel out and it will remain as it is. See. 2 into 1 into 2, that is 2, 0, and it will remain as it is. In the third case also, C3 is equal to 3 into C3 dash is equal to C3 minus 3 into C1. Now we get this is C3 minus 3 into C1. So we get this as a value. In the similar manner, we get this. Hope is clear up till this part, because you see, this due to the lack of space, I have to delete this part. Now here, as we can see, here what we can do, we can turn these things into zeros. How? See this. By R3 dash is equal to R3 plus R2. By adding this, what we get? 1 0 0 0, then 0 0, minus 1 minus 1, minus 3. Adding this part with 1 1 and 3, we get 0 0 0. Okay. Now what we need to do, we have to convert this into minor, which will be a non-zero minor. We have to find the non-zero minor, and which will also help us to normalize this matrix, and will also help to get the rank of this matrix. To do that, what we are again doing, see this one, this, we have to zero this, turn these elements into 0. This element and this element, we have to turn this into 0. How we can do it? See, C3 is equal to C3 minus C2, and C4 is equal to C4 minus 3 into C2. Did you understand how I got it? See, this is C2, C2 minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus minus 1, what we will get is equal to 0. So it will become 0. Again minus 3 into minus 1. So we will also get 0. So the new matrix what we get is this part, 1 0 0 0, 0 minus 1 0 0, 0 0 0. So this is the new matrix what we get. Now I will multiply this row, second row, with minus 1 to get, this is the elementary transformation, R2 dash is equal to minus 1 into R2. So what we get here is 1 0 0 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 0 0 0. It cannot be reduced to any further minor part. So this part will be the identity matrix, and since it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so P of rank of A is equal to 2, and this will be the normal part. We can write this at I of R 0 0 0. So this is the thing. I hope you like this session. If you want more videos like this, please comment on the comment box, and if you want to give any kind of suggestion to me, you can please comment. Thank you.